students. This is Lakshmi. In today's session, I am going to discuss organic chemistry short revision. So the word actually little complicated. So organic chemistry short revision means importance of the reagents I will give. So organic chemistry is ocean. We can do many questions also. Again, we have some confusion. So why confusion? Because we some students they miss the basics like electronic effects, next rearrangement reactions and reagents. These three they are not concentrating when they are in first year and second year. Definitely they can feel some difficulty in organic chemistry. So that is why the shortcut revision like I am doing some videos students organic chemistry. So for all the students it is definitely will get benefit. All the students it is helpful. So recently I have uploaded most important reagent organic chemistry, alkenes chapter and alkenes chapter. Now next one, alkynes and first year benzene, next one, second year also organic chemistry, which we are seeing generally in sequence questions reagents. Okay, if we will write all the reagents, it may take 20-25 videos. Not like that. So which is most important reagents which we are seeing frequently in NEET examination and mains examination. I am going to do the shortcut videos like 2 to 3. 2. Already one completed. Now this one, second one, third one more I am doing. Once completed reagents videos, I am going to start sequence questions. Okay. Sequence questions 10 I made. The 10 questions I will discuss with you. And if two groups are there and which side orientation effects also I have uploaded, Markovnikov rule, Sagejeff rule, anti-Markovnikov rule, all the points I have discussed. So see, watch all the videos and get benefit in organic chemistry. So try to do best. Okay, students, let's start our session with the first one, alkynes. Alkynes. In alkynes, the only one chemistry which is connecting to first year to second year, that is organic chemistry. Even physical chemistry also they can connect, but that is not like a sequence question. Suppose electrochemistry chapter and redox reactions, electrochemistry chapter, especially equilibrium, they will connect it. Just 2 chapters maximum. But organic chemistry is not like that. So first year whole, second year, first year starting chapter to second year end chapter, they will connect the questions. That's why. So I'm making good videos. Alkynes. Alkynes chapter where we have to concentrate. First one is preparation of acetylene. Preparation of acetylene. Market vendors generally they are using acetylene gas. C2H2 molecular formula. So this is what we call it as IUPAC name, ethyne. Okay, students, now look into this reaction. Calcium carbide reacts with water. Yes, we will get C2H2, ethyne gas. This is C2H2. Simple, that's it. So you'll get calcium hydroxide. That's all, students. Balance the reaction. So this is what we call it as acetylene. Acetylene. Here questions. Calcium and carbon. Like this. Here how many sigma and pi bonds, total sigma and pi bonds between carbon and carbon, sigma and pi bonds. So you will get good number of questions. So total number means 1, 2, 3 sigma bonds and 2 pi bonds. Only between carbon and carbon means 1 sigma and 2 pi bonds. Depends on question. So this is acetylene gas. This is the main one to get the colors and fruits, especially what is this, mangoes and what is this, one more, banana. So carbide free mangoes like that also people give the publicity. That means acetylene gas. The carbide packet just to add little water and sprinkle. So what is that? Immediately it liberate acetylene gas. Due to acetylene gas getting color. Okay. So now next one. And here second point is like this. CH triple bond CH. Polymerization. Polymerization. That is cyclic polymerization. So you will get your 3 moles. You will get benzene. You will get benzene. Okay, and K-set examination, M-set examination, other set examinations also they are asking one more question. So recently they asked one question, 3 moles of propine. If you take 3 moles of propine, so this is also polymerization, cyclic polymerization. You will get, see here, acetylene first, 3 moles of acetylene benzene, and after that additional methyl group is there, no methyl group, it forms 1,3,5 trimethyl benzene, that is acetylene. Okay, how many sigma and pi bonds? Even here also question. So acetylene on cyclic polymerization you will get A. What is A? How many sigma and pi bonds? You can expect questions like this. Else sequence questions. Benzene, benzene further nitration, nitration further diazotization. So connectivity questions. First year, especially alkynes chapter plays important role to connectivity questions. Now, next important one, acidic nature of alkynes. I said the most important points only I am discussing. Acidic hydrogen. Yes, it plays important role. Acidic hydrogens. So first let me write are alkynes hydrogens are alkynes hydrogens are alkynes, the two terminal carbon. Okay, better word I can write. Alkynes terminal carbon having hydrogens are are acidic in nature. Acidic in nature. Okay, I'll cover 2 to 3 questions here. Check. Alkenes, next, alkenes and alkynes. Similar molecular masses I have taken. So which is more acidic? So you will get question like this. Acidic nature, decreasing order, like that. Okay, which is more acidic? Yes, this guy is more acidic. What is the reason this guy is more acidic? Due to more S character. See, I will write now points. Students, here both the sides single bond sp3. In previous videos also have uploaded this one. This is sp2 hybridization, sp2. This is sp, right? sp hybridized carbon is more electronegative. More electronegative. Why it is more electronegative? Due to more S character. Due to more S character. Clear, students? Here S character is 50%. Okay, SP. One is 50%, one is 50%. P also 50. But here 33.3%. So how to calculate 1 by 3? So that's it. If you need S character. P character means 2 by 3. That's it. Out of 3, this is 1. Out of 3, this is 1. Here also 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Here 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. This is S character. S character 25% and P character also I am covering here 75%. Both the questions important. But here our topic is acidic nature, right? Acidic nature means sp hybridized carbons are acidic in nature first. So you can delete 2 options. Afterwards, they will give acidic hydrogen finding and which is more acidic also. Let me give. Based on above points, we came to know among alkenes, alkynes are more acidic in nature, right, students? Now pick out alkynes. This is alkyne and another alkyne I am taking, and I am taking one more. This is 2-butyl. Okay. So write down names, students. This is what? Ethyl. This is propyne. You no need to write one propyne. It is in just this side and this side, right? That's it. One only. This is 2-butyne. But 2-butyne, 1-butyne you can identify. Yes, the question is like this. This is 1-butyne. So which is more acidic? See, students, I said one point. Terminal carbons having hydrogens. Terminal carbons having hydrogens. Those hydrogens only, acidic in nature. See, H, I am writing expanded form. Yes, is sp hybridized. Sp hybridized. More electronegative, no? He will attract electrons towards itself. Hydrogen has one electron, right? He is attracting electrons towards itself. Such a way, the bond between carbon and hydrogen is weak. If any metals and metals coming and approaching, sodamide and sodium metal like this. So any metal is coming and approaching, easily lose. Who is losing easily? Hydrogen. Losing hydrogen easily. So that is more acidic. That is more acidic. That's all, students. This is more acidic than this one, and here it is not acidic in nature. Not acidic. Why, madam? It has a triple bond. No, why it is? But triple bond is the criteria, but it has hydrogen. Then only, no. But doesn't have, not acidic. Do not have hydrogen. Do not have hydrogen, right? So sp hybridized carbon having hydrogens only acidic. This is sp3. It will not acidic. It is not acidic. Here this is sp. Yes, it doesn't have hydrogen, but he is acidic in nature. Acidic. Next, 1-butane. 1-butane also 1. That's acidic in nature. Okay. So now write down the order which is more acidic. Which is more acidic. So take it as this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Clear? Now tell me, students, acidic nature. So acidic nature, more, which is having more, structure 1. Afterwards, structure 2 and 4 both are equal. Structure 2 and 4 both are equal because 1 acidic hydrogen, right? 1 acidic hydrogen equal. Then 4. The least one is the other. You can get questions like this. It plays very, very, very important role. Now, next, another important one. With this acidic nature, we can make higher alkynes. Due to this acidic nature, we can make higher alkynes. Suppose the question is like this. Okay, how can you make ethyne to butane, okay, or else propane. See, students, I am taking CH triple bond CH. Use sodium metal or sodamide also, anything, sodamide. Okay, metal only. Here metal only will go and react. Then what you will get, students? At a time I am taking 2 moles. At a time I am taking this hydrogen will go, this hydrogen also will go. So finally, what you will get? CNA. C triple bond CNA. That's it. One acidic hydrogen replaced by 2 sodium metals. Sodium metal means most of the students they will guess Wurtz reaction. When if it is where alkyl halides, but here it is alkynes means acidic in nature. Clear, students? That's it. Now you can add 2 moles of CH3I. That's it. So stepwise you can go, means first 1 mole you can add, afterwards 2 moles. But it takes lot of time, no? That's why remove these 2 and add here 1 methyl group and 1 methyl group here. That's it. CH3, C triple bond, C, CH3. This is what? 2-butyl. Yes. Lower alkynes to higher alkynes, how can you prepare? So based on the acidic nature we are making. Clear, students? Now, here also ozonolysis reaction plays important role. I said in the previous video, ozonolysis reaction and oxidation reaction separately I can do video, students. That is the biggest topic. Hurry, I am not completing. So it takes important role in the competitive examination also. Especially I can do that video. Now, students, I am giving next one. Yes. HgSO4, H2SO4, this combination. 40%, 1% ratio also they're taking 40%, 1% ratio also sometimes they will give, or sometimes they will give like this, Hg plus to H plus. So here active guy is H plus, here active guy is Hg plus 2. This combination also. Finally, this combination follows indirect addition of water. Indirect addition of water. Second point. It follows M's rule. What is M's rule? I have uploaded video. Watch it. So, and next one, tautomerism. It plays important role. This is one of the important model man sequence question. Let me explain first. Here, what is this? Indirect addition of water, H plus OH minus. So here it follows Markovnikov rule. Rich become richest. Here hydrogen will go and add. Here, clear? Now CH3, C, OH. Symmetrical alkynes, no problem. This is unsymmetrical, no? So double bond CH2. This is what we call it as enol. Enol. En. Double bond is there. Ol. Alcohol. Enol. This is a propanone enol form. Propanone enol form. Or acetone enol form. Enol form. Now enol form is unstable. Some of the organic compounds are stable in keto form. Some of the organic compounds are stable in enol form. So here enol form is unstable. So that is why it is converting into tautomerizes into keto form. How it is? See. Very easy. Here this pi bond electron shifts towards oxygen side. This hydrogen shifts here. That's it, students. Tautomerizes. Dynamic equilibrium. This is what we call it as propanone. Propanone. This is ketone, right? Enol form, ketone form. Next, students, they will ask questions here. Propanone or acetone. This is common name acetone. Acetone, enol form, how many sigma bonds? In propanone, how many sigma and pi bonds? They are asking questions in M set level, K set level, and other set levels also, students. Watch it and see, go through the points. Once again, you can try to solve the questions. If you get any confusion, let me know. Now, next important point is alkynes maximum. These questions only they are asking. So, in addition to this, they are asking like ozonolysis reaction and oxidation reactions, like Bayer's reagent. So, Bayer's reagent, if we add Bayer's reagent, what happen? So, Bayer's reagent is nothing but a cold alkaline KMNO4. It gives cis diols. That videos I am going to do separately. Oxidation and ozonolysis reaction. Now, next, here benzene. First year last lesson, benzene. So, benzene also most important rule. Here, Huckel's rule. Huckel's rule, one of the important point, that is also I can do like a video. Huckel's rule, aromatic, anti-aromatic, non-aromatic, some notes like I especially make this video. Next one, here benzene. So benzene, how we prepared? So acetylene to benzene we have seen. In benzene, the very important questions are in benzene. What is this? It undergo electrophilic substitution reaction. We expected more addition reactions like alkenes are more reactive. Let me write one point here, students. Reactivity. Alkenes more reactive due to the presence of double bond. So out of two bonds, one is sigma, one is pi bond. Pi bond is weak bond. Easily we can break and participate in bond formation. Okay, next alkynes. Alkynes we expected more reactive than alkenes because it has two bonds, but because of some steric repulsions, some two bonds rotation is not free. That's the reason alkynes are less reactive when compared to alkenes. Next one is benzene. Next one is benzene and least one is alkanes. Alkanes undergo substitution reaction. Alkanes undergo substitution reaction. Clear? Now next one, bond length. Bond length also important. Bond length. So here first alkenes, next alkynes, next benzene, next alkanes. Clear? So now next one, bond length. Bond length, students, generally CC single bond. Important one. CC single bond, C double bond C, C triple bond C, and next benzene. They will compare. See here, C single bond C means 1.54 angstrom. This is 1.34 angstrom. This is 1.20 angstrom. But benzene, it has both single and double bonds, no, that's why lie between these two, 1.39. So bond length order they last. Then first tell me, first one is ethane, alkane. Next one is benzene. Next double bond one example, ethene, right? Ethene, you can take it up. So then last one is ethyl. I have given names. Sometimes they will ask generally alkanes, next benzene, next ethene, next alkynes, like that. This is bond length. Okay. Now next one. Benzene is less reactive. Less reactive due to resonance. It undergo more substitution reaction. More substitution reactions. Clear? I have uploaded already this one, benzene reactions and all, and electrophilic substitution reactions. Go through that video. Now, next one question I am giving here. Most of the students confusing here. Benzene reacts with the chlorine in presence of FeCl3, you will get A. And the same benzene, if you will take with the chlorine in presence of sunlight. So what is this B? What are AB? AB are same or AB are different? What are the products they are asking students? This is, I am writing here. It is electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction. This is addition reaction. Addition reaction. Generally, benzene will give electrophilic substitution rather than, let me write, rather than addition. Rather than addition due to resonance. Due to stabilized by resonance. Clear? Now, students, what I am trying to say here, product is substitution reaction. Hydrogen is replaced by chlorine. This is chlorobenzene. But down one is rather than addition reactions, it undergo electrophilic substitution reaction. But if you apply the drastic conditions like sunlight, help, I have uploaded this one also, help, heat, energy, light, peroxide, any help if you give, so then what happens? So it is breaking double bonds, it breaks double bonds and finally undergoes addition reaction. So you will get here hexachlorocyclohexane. Clear? Lindane, gamaxine, triple six, like that we are calling. Okay, different names are there. Go through this. Okay, this is free radical mechanism. Here important. Free radical intermediate. Free radical intermediate. This is homolysis. It undergo homolysis. When homolysis possible, help is there, homolysis. Help means already I said. Previous video also have uploaded. So anti-Markovnikov rule, watch it students. Now chlorine, this is electrophilic substitution reaction. Here electrophile is Cl+. This is electrophilic substitution reaction. This is the importance. Okay, like that you will expect the questions. With this we have completed first year organic chemistry reagents, the maximum I covered. Okay, now next video, now I am doing second year first chapter to last chapter, which is frequently asking reagents on arrow sequence questions. I am going to upload now students next after this. So the first video and the second video and third video, 3 videos, first you can go through points all thoroughly, you can prepare, then we can start sequence questions students. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and inform to all your friends, share students. This is more important topic, most important and confused topic. Definitely everybody will get benefit in organic chemistry. Thank you students. Thank you.